Little bit more in Olango Island. Here is Bari. We're going to buy some water for that. Realize it's so much. As you can see in Olango, there's no like a lot of motorcycles, just a little bit. Time check, it's already 5 p.m. 5 in the afternoon. Sunset. Yes. There's a dog, baby. There's a dog. Over there. What else you can see? Coconut tree. Little baby sleep. People playing volleyball. Oy, I'm so sorry. The goat is eating the grass. Oh, there's a lot of kids in here. They're playing. Oh my god. Excuse me, baby. What a wonderful place, right? Tatay Biyay. Tatay Biyo. Tatay. Ito mo mali. Pino? Here we go in Talema. Oh, you see the birds? Sorry about my camera. It's not that clear. There's no bird. Almost arrived at the destination. We're gonna buy some watermelon here. Oh, baby, ha? Gana may watermelon? Wala. Wala yung watermelon. There's no watermelon. So sad. We will go somewhere because there's no watermelon in there, guys. That's so sad, right? Why there's no watermelon? Sorry? Always no. Watermelon in there. My brother. So my brother is coming. The man wearing blue shirt, that's my brother. So my two brothers went jogging. Actually, my two brothers and one sister went for a jog. And now we're here in the market in Olango. This is the main market. As you can see, there's a lot of motorcycles, right? But there's still traffic in here, guys. I swear. Oh, my sister. My sister wearing a jersey, number 8 jersey. That's my sister. Kayla. This is the church. Hi, Bob.
Hi, boy.
Hello. This is the church in here. Ayun may watermelon. Tagpila man. Tulo lang kabuok. Watermelon, apple, mangosteen, orange, and lots of apple and some grapes.